According to the National Electrical Code and industry best practices, wires should be pulled taut without any loops or slack in the box. There are several reasons for this practice. Firstly, tightly pulled wires reduce electrical resistance and prevent overheating. Secondly, tight wires maintain proper electrical connections and reduce the risk of loose connections or short circuits, improving circuit integrity. Thirdly, National Electrical Code Article 300.15 requires conductors to be secured without excess slack, ensuring code compliance. Fourthly, loose wires can become tangled or damaged, creating potential hazards. Therefore, pulling wires taut improves safety. Some electricians prefer to leave a loop to allow for future access to wires if additional devices are added or changes are needed, which provides accessibility. A loop provides some flexibility for moving wires during future adjustments or troubleshooting. However, as mentioned by some journeymen, loops can create a risk of unauthorized connections or modifications to dedicated circuits. Loose wires can look messy and unprofessional, raising aesthetic concerns. Excess slack in the box violates National Electrical Code requirements. While some electricians may have personal preferences, the industry standard and code requirement is to pull wires taut in junction boxes. This ensures safety, circuit integrity, and compliance with electrical codes. As an apprentice, it is advisable to follow industry best practices and pull wires taut in boxes, even if others have different opinions. This will ensure safe and code-compliant electrical installation.